round and round, round and round. Circles rolling round and round, it never stops. Blue square marching side by side, side by side, side by side. Blue square marching side by side, so neat and proud. Red triangle leads the way. Pointy top, pointy top, pointy top. Red triangle leads the way in our parade. Green rectangle, tall and thin, tall and thin, tall and thin. Green rectangle, tall and thin, standing tall. Yellow star goes twinkle, twinkle, shining bright, shining bright. Yellow star goes twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Marching shapes, hooray, hooray. Dance and play, dance and play. Marching shapes, hooray, hooray. Colors every day.
Hi, my dear kidsies. I hope you learned some basic shapes today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more fun and learning. Keep learning, keep watching. Bye-bye.